centripetal force is equal to F. So F is equal to mv square divided by r, as we have discussed in earliest of our section in this course. Now equate mg is equal to mv square by r. On solving, you are going to get v is equal to root gr. So this is the formula of launching the velocity that we require to settle a satellite in its orbit and to fix that. And with this, we can have our satellite placed on the right orbit. It is crucial still, and there is so much ideal thing that we have kept here, but this is the overall idea of it. So now it's time to address the question that what is the fundamental difference between gravitation and gravity. So let's talk to Newton, who discovered these things. So hey Newton, how you know that what is gravitation and what is gravity? Newton answered that gravitation is something that works on the atomic level. Well, the atoms are not very much known in his time, but still I believe he knows that. It works on very fundamental level. That's why there is no limitation of the distances, and our galaxies also get attracted. Like there is a prediction in few billion years, our Andromeda galaxy will going to get collapse and having a big collision with our Milky Way galaxy. So how this is going to happen? This is going to happen because of the attraction force. The most attraction force which is ever known to human being is on the black holes, the center of the black holes. In the black holes we have that power of the gravitation, but still it is very important to maintain the cycle of a galaxy. It is known that black holes are the center or the heart of all the galaxies that we know. And what is gravity? Gravity's formula is very simple. G is equal to capital G m, which is mass of the planet, divided by r square, which is radius of the planet. So with this we know that gravitation is multiplied and dividing on the area level and multiplying on the mass level. That will going to give us gravity, and which is going to technically about something like close to density. So density tells us about the gravity, and gravitation is working on the particle or unitary method. So with this, Newton has completed his theory and the exploration. So we have explored in the world of motion. So this course is all about the rest and motion, because this is physics and motion. So stick with me for more courses. That's it for this course. Take care, God bless, and namaste.